Good morning, YouTube. How's all the beautiful people? I've got an idea. What do you say we torture test this hydraulic table cart from Harbor Freight? This is a 500-pound capacity. I know that's 500-ish. What if we pick it up with the hoist? We measure the weight with the crane scale. We set it on here. We see how well this thing handles it with the lift and all that good stuff, and then we just escalate the weight and run the weight up there until this thing starts to act goofy. How about that? Okay, I got it pulled out here. See, it's just sitting on the legs for the hoist. So let's turn this bad boy on. See what kind of weight we get. All right, you see it. We're zeroed. Let's come up. What's your guess? I'm gonna say 485. Uh-huh. Ooh, I'm a loser. All right. Well, a little more. All right, we are free hanging. As you see, it's moving around. 561 pounds. So we're already exceeding the limits of Mr. Harbor Freight. So, that being said, let me get Mr. Harbor Freight underneath it. And, yeah. Well, let me get you set up back there. We'll time lapse it. I'll kind of get stuff situated here. That way we're not up against the wall over here. Get a little bit more in the middle. I'm not sure why that's flashing. I don't know what that means, but it is. There we go. It just kind of went into sleep mode. So 561 pounds. And yeah, cool. All right. All right. I kind of got stuff moved around. All right. It's the same 561 pounds. I got the hydraulic table cart over here. As you can see, it's sticking out the other side a little bit, just right. So let's slowly come up on the cart. Looking everything over. We're still good. Looks like we still got 320 hanging on the crane scale. $130 on the crane scale. So where's that put us? 370-ish. Seems like I need to move it over. It was hanging kind of off-centered. Let me come down with this. And let's move it over a little. Get her a little bit more centered. I think she'd appreciate it. I'd appreciate it too. I don't want to drop my welder. Okay, we're looking decent there. Let's try this again. All right, see where we're at. Hey, we got it all. Looky there. We've got it all on the Harbor Freight cart. 561 pounds. What do y'all think? Comes up easy, no problems. I don't see. Oh no, I don't see anything happening here. Feels fine. Now I haven't tried rolling the damn thing around yet. It may just go kaboom. These welders are about $4,500 now. I don't want to drop it. Let's set it back down. Make sure this scale is still on. Yeah, it's still on. Let's set it back down. See how easy we can set it down with 561 pounds on it. Yeah, I wouldn't say it's somewhat controlled, but you know, just somewhat. So let's come up with some weight. Let me pause it here. Come up with some weight that we can set on top of this welder and say run it up to 600. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got this battery. I put the sheet on there because I don't want to scratch the welder up any more than I have to. So we are at 606 pounds with that battery and that cover on there. So let's center this thing back up. Okay. Let me get the gas pedal. Yeah. I think we've got it all. Look at the hook. Yeah. So 606. Looks like the weight's a little off-centered here, but 606 pounds. And it's only rated for a 500-pound working load. 606. Y'all want to come up even higher? Y'all want to put more weight on it? I do. Let's see what I come up with. Another battery maybe sitting over here? Okay. All right, now here we go. Let's just see if I can be delicate. Easy. Slowly applying pressure on the release. You can feel it had quite a bit of resistance on it. That wasn't very gentle, but now we're back up to the 605, 606 pounds hanging. Okay, let me find some more weight. Alrighty, look at her, 662 pounds, okay? Got another battery. What do you think? Could this be the straw that broke the camel's back? Get her squared up here. See what old HF will do here. How much weight was it? She quit coming up like we're bypassing, and we still got 40 pounds hanging. So we know that 620 pounds is where she bypasses. I'm sure a guy could tweak the settings a little bit on that jack and get a little more, but we're not gonna tear it up. 620 pounds. Let me let her down. Come on. All right, 620. Still sitting on it. Look, engine horse might have, oh, cherry picker might have bled off a little. Let's come back up here. There it is. Yeah. Okay. 620 pounds. Like and subscribe, guys. In the future, I think we might tweak those screws on that jack and see if she'll do more, because I don't think that thing was close to breaking. It just bypassing. Alrighty, we'll catch you guys on the next one.